Post-stitch ribbing. To create post-stitch ribbing, rather than working into the tops of stitches, we'll work around the posts. To create my first front post double crochet, I'll yarn over and insert my hook through the front of the fabric from right to left around the post of the next stitch, drawing up a loop, and I'll yarn over hook and draw through 2 loops twice. To work my back post double crochet, I'll yarn over hook and insert my hook through the back of the work from right to left around the post of that next stitch, draw up a loop and yarn over hook and draw through 2 loops twice. Alternating with another front post double crochet, yarning over, inserting my hook from right to left through the front, drawing up a loop, yarning over hook, and drawing through 2 loops on hook twice. For my back post, yarning over, from the back of my work, inserting my hook from right to left around the post of the next stitch, drawing up a loop, yarning over hook, drawing through 2 loops, yarning over, drawing through 2. And that's how you crochet post-stitch ribbing.